Action, 3, 2, 1. We talked about syncopated timing. What did you call it? Rush rhythm?
Rush triples.
Rush triple rhythms. So at the beginning of class, we talked about going 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? Or sometimes we do 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6 was the other one. And then we kind of jumbled them all together. So we had all those
We
different
combined
rhythms.
both of them together. Yeah.
Right? So what did we start with?
Just the and 3, but we
In
did
what?
it from
Closed
we
position?
did it from closed position.
So basic sugar tuck from closed position is a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
So no syncopations, it's just your regular tuck.
Our syncopated timing is 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Think of it like if any of you have ever done hustle,
And
like
three.
it's that hustle away. Does it make sense?
Then we talked about the followers stealing from open position, right? So leveraging back and arcing away, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Followers, you can play with different footwork that you want to do. If you wanted to gather like 1, 2, gather 3, 4, 5, and 6.
And lead should use their left lat.
They should use their left lat. Then we did syncopated timing. 1, 2.
Oh, we talked about Terra was suggesting that we have like constant connection or constant lead down line to encourage that.
So leaders
that
want to
speed.
lead it.
Yeah.
We're arcing our body away from our partner, asking for constant connection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Leads, I'm not syncopating there. I'm just doing I could syncopate, but I'm just doing my normal tuck footwork.
And then we decided to syncopate we can do from closed position.
We do from close.
Yep. So we're going 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6. And then we do a kickball change.
Yep,
You let me go.
so leads footwork for that. I am doing step, step, and step, step, and step, step, step.
Followers footwork. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6.
Actually, I didn't call out the kick. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and kick, step, cross. Yeah.
And then we're adding a kickball change exit. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
Yeah.
Okay, what you didn't learn was our sugar push. So we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Hi. So that's our syncopated timing on the anchor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. No, you did not learn that.
She wanted to show it on tape. So let's say if we were performing and the audience is out there and we were wanting to take the dance down stage, that would be a way that we would do it. So maybe I first send Terra and that causes me to follow the back half of that. And I do it using a syncopation. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Yeah?
All right, so
We
have
got
fun
very
with your
close.
syncopation.